Testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2.
So what is the second one?
Second what?
The second law of thermodynamics.
Well, the second law of thermodynamics states that everything is hectic.
That can't be right.
Once, I tried blowing up my mind from the inside. I exploded my mind, all on my own.
Oh, not true. It's not even real.
I'm sorry, Paul, but Jesus, you said, okay, you were talking about what is most important. It is chaos out there. Chaos.
So there's always going to be disorder, like riots.
Literal disorder, riots in the streets. Cappuccino gets cold.
Bedrooms get messy.
Pieces go missing from puzzles.
Species go extinct.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 1, 2. One test is never enough. Only 2 will ever do.